iPhone 12 Pro, battery replacement. If battery is replaced without programming, the battery health won't show, an error will be seen in battery settings. Let's change battery and program the battery so that health features will be available. First, remove the battery connector with its flex cable. This flex cable includes a special chip, battery serial which should be matched with new battery. So, this serial should be copied and programmed to new battery. Remove the new battery connector flex. Carefully connect original battery connector flex. Insulate the battery carefully to avoid short. Check the new battery. New battery health shows previous health percentage because it's not programmed yet for new battery. Let's use this special connector to store new battery serial, which is copied from original connector. Let's program new battery with original battery serial number. It's programmed. Battery health disappears and need restart to show new battery full capacity health 100%. Let's check again. Battery health 100%. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Thank you for watching our video.